Sisebhambanana ke la sikhona ngodaba lwabasebenzi la sikhona ngodaba lwabasebenzi Severite lesikona sizoqedela ke njengoba sasithembisile ukuthi asizuliyeka lo daba until kuze kube basayina ama-contract abasebenzi. Sikhona ke lapha ke. Yes ma. Ilana ke inkinga esibhekana nayo njengamanje Severite nabo abasebenzi njengamanje sibabizile isitolo siyazivala njengamanje Severite. Ngiyabona abantu bagcwele kanje la eminyango isitolo sesiyavalwa asikazi ukwazi ukuqhubeka nokusebenza. Kune China nje la ibhambanana angazi noma li boss ngakubo noma kwenzakalani I don't know, but this is what is going on right now. Yeah, the employees and the police together sizama ukuthi sifuna ukusilungisa lesimo kumnyama kubomvu sizoyisivala lesitolo. Yibo laba abantu abaxhaphaza abantu bakithi, yibo laba bayaqasha uyaqasha, yibo laba abaxhaphaza abantu bakithi laba, yibo laba ama-China from all the way from Chinese to exploit our people here in South Africa. This you are one of those, you are also a Chinese, you must be appearing this. He's also one of those people. That means we're not going to tolerate that, either they like it or not. This is the stuff we're talking about here. This is the stuff we're talking about. Abantu abaxhashazwa ama-China. They are working in today in this very big shop like this one. Basebenza kuyona. Kuxhashazwa bona la. Into ithi kuneyinduna la. Induna ngoba masifika la umqashi singamtholi, usitshela ukuthi abahambe balande akulandwe induna izolo kumele zizosolva. Ngiyamangala ukuthi ingane induna ke zingena ngapi esitolo ebusinessini. Zingena ngapi nje induna. But here we're going to sort all of this thing out. Sivaliwe isitolo nganza kwethu. Sivaliwe isitolo. Asisebenze isitolo. Asisebenze isitolo. You are not going even to you're not even going to intimidate them.
Our close the shop. I might close the shop.
Close it once and leave.
You are give you job. He give you job. No.
They rather stay not working instead of fooling them, making them fools.
Who give you power coming here?
It's my organization. My organization. My organization.
You are not the government. You are not the government. I tell you. You are not the government.
Just because you are bribing government. That's just because you are bribing government.
You are not the government. Get out.
Our leadership. I'm not scared of you. I'm totally not scared of you. I'm totally not scared of you. Together we spoke about it.
I give you double already.
Is it signed?
He never signed me how much.
These are the police people. Can we sit down so that the shop will operate? Because
you are not the power coming to do this thing. I tell you, you are not the government.
Okay, so the government said you must misuse these people.
Let Induna say. I don't say. Before I follow law, Induna coming to say must do that using this.
To being a stubborn is not going to help you. To being a stubborn not going to help you.
We were there with the Mangete, the security guard.
To being a stubborn not going to help you, my man. Even tomorrow, we're going to sit here. This shop is not going to operate.
Okay,
yes.
You all can sit here. We are closing the door.
Close,
okay.
Yes. You're doing the right thing.
No problem.
And you must know that you're going to pay these people. You must know that. You're going to pay them full salary, either you like it or not.
I like, no problem.
Yes.
All can sit down here.
Yeah, they will sit.
Yeah, we are closing the shop.
Close the shop. That's going to help you. That one is going to help you. Do you think we're playing games? We're not playing games here.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. MK isaqhubeka nokulwela ama-South Africans, isaqhubeka nokuthi if we foreigner nje ungasebenzi kwesitolo sala South Africa or company yala South Africa bawafuni illegal foreigners. Njengoba sibona nyalokhu vakashelwe isitolo sema-China kunema-South Africans lasebenza lapha kulesiya sitolo, they are being exploited, babaholela imali encane, things are not in order. So ayasho nje nama-members e-MK ukuthi lokhu ngeke sikutolerate, ngeke tolerate ma-China, ngaba i-China, i-Nigeria, i-Zimbabwe or anyone loyi-foreigner ukuthi asuke ekhountryini yakhe ato-exploit ama-South Africans lana atowaphatha kabi atowahlukumeta awasebenzise without ma-leaves banga-ovi bantu bangabi nalutho basebende waya bacedzela baholele imali lencane bathi enough is enough. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.